LOBO stock is in the move in the pre-market session of today, the 13th of May 2025, up as you can see 228.95%. I can see here over 13 million shares have crossed the tape. Yeah, 13 million shares. Let me confirm that. Yeah, 13.82 million shares and counting have crossed the tape. We haven't found any fresh news concerning this spike. And as things stand right now, the extrapolation is that the contraction is expected to occur. It does not mean that it must occur, that it will, you know, it's naturally this is what you should expect, And if it continues to bring high highs, you may find that the range where this contraction will is projected to happen to occur will may also vary, may go up or may go down, may pretty much remain where it is right now. So we haven't found any fresh news, as I indicated earlier on. It could even continue to print high highs, but it's difficult to begin to even try to project. But we may try anyway. We may try anyway and see what can be done. Let's see now. This was printed in this session. Yeah, we take 1.4 and we take 0.77. So that's going to give us roughly 0.6 0.1.44. Okay, that's 0.63. Yeah, that's going to give us that 0.63 multiplied by 1.618. We have 1.01. Add that to 2.43. We have a 3.44 for LOBO. 3.44. No guarantee that that will be the case. So we have another projection, 4.08. So we have another projection, 4.7. So no guarantee that any of these projections will turn out to be the case. Yeah, let's come back and see what's going on. Yeah, so this is active. We have 13.95 million shares now. Yeah, projections we have 3.44, 4.08, 4.7. Let's have a look up here and see. First of all, let's have a look at the underline the daily chart. It's not that we're going to read out anything there because it's not reflecting, most certainly not reflecting what's going on here. But in any case, there were some projections here. Let's see what they're saying. Okay, 1.05, 1.23, 1.34. The stock has now printed through all of those projections now. The underlying trend is a bearish one. Okay, so let's move on to the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, what we have, here as well, the extrapolation is for a contraction to occur. Yeah, the extraction is expected to occur at a discount to the current price. And we have, do we have projections here? We have a down projection of 1.08. Let's jump to the 2-hour chart. Okay, same here as well. We have a contraction projected, extrapolated rather, and then we have a downward projection of 0.7084, 0.6860. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart as well, yeah, same contraction, but not as much of a discount as we have seen on probably the not as much of a discount we've seen what it is on the 4-hour chart. So downward projection here as well, 0.7303. Yeah, let's jump to the 5-minute chart and see whether it's projecting anything ambitious. Yes, we have an upper projection here. Extrapolation on this 5-minute chart is a downward the downward extrapolation. As a matter of fact, it's actually losing some of its strength. some of the gains it ran up. We have projections 3.31 here on this chart, 4.83, 5.89, 6.54. You can see, yeah, it's makes sense to come and have a look here. And here on the, okay, we have, okay, the prevailing projections, we have downward projection of 0.4492, 0.80, 1.37, upper projections 4.83. We have anything like that? We don't have anything like that. We have 4.7, and then there's 5.89, and then 6.54. Okay, so the algos are even really a lot more ambitious than we are. So let's see how things go. Let's go back to the 4-hour chart and see if we can have a look at its market greed. So right now you can see here it is trading right outside of its price channel. Okay, so um, this is just indicating, you can see the number of shares going through, very very tiny number of shares. That's just a confirmation that aggressive aggression is behind this action we're looking at right now. Um, yeah, it's currently trading right outside of its price channel. It may be expected to come back in. So this is what we came to look at. This price. This is the price channel here on Trading View. It's market greed. So we will just go and have a look. Just give us an idea. Gives us a reference of how things are, how far off, where the position of things. How far off, how much of a discount it's trading to. Let's see now. Okay, so I'm not sure if this market grid hasn't reflected what's going on, because it's just has an upper line value of 0.81. So I don't think it's hasn't reflected what's going on right now. So we can't rely on that. Yeah, we can't rely on that. Let's have a look. Let's return to the order book. Yeah, an intraday high of course of 3.55. Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Yeah. This just indicates that a lot of market orders are used, because you can see most of the prices are going through on the same price. So the market orders, they take precedent. They take precedent over all the other stocks, all the other types. So after they have been satisfied, then other type of orders, limit orders, stop limits, and all that will go through. So nothing's going on now. Let's see whether we can find 2.29. Is it anywhere here? 2.27. Okay, that's where the activity is. 2.22. Yeah, it's declining. Let's see whether we can find it. Yeah, 2.22. I think missed it. Let's see whether we can find where things are going so volatile. Let's see whether we can find where the action is. 2.17, 2.18, 2.19. Just escaped. 2.2, 2.22. We're chasing dreams. 2.23. Yeah, okay, yeah, we just saw that. I just saw that now. 2.24. Yeah, 2.25. 2.27. Okay, well, we've not been able to see what's going on here. So, yeah, a lot of aggression is behind what's going on. Yeah, surely, yes. Okay, the gain is now 198%, losing some ground. So, see what you make of LOBO. We have projections towards 3.44, 4.08, 4.7. It has actually printed 3.55, so 3.44. That probability is there, but there's no guarantee that it will print. Okay, yeah. So thank you very much for watching this video.